Part 2. How to respond when you have a respiratory infection. Hi, Mom. Hi, Blossom. I'm home.
I'm coughing and my head hurts.
Those bad germs. I must stop them.
Don't worry. We're going to bring you to the doctor. Let's go. But first,
We wash our hands.
And wear a mask.
great job! We do all these things to keep our family and others safe. Hi, Dr. Almond. Blossom is not feeling well. What shall we do?
First of all, I'm very happy that you came to see me. It's helpful to get early health care before you get very sick. You seem to have a respiratory infection. This is when germs make your breathing system sick.
Why am I sick?
When you breathe in, you draw air that has lots of oxygen from the outside into your nose and mouth, then into your lungs. The oxygen goes into your blood, then to all parts of your body to give it energy. But germs can also get into your body in the same way.
It's true. I know that germs can get into our mouth and noses through droplets, contact, and some special germs can even spread through the air.
Wow, you know a lot, Dawn. Blossom, next we'll take some fluids from your respiratory system to test for germs like COVID-19, flu, and others. Knowing which germ is causing your infection can help me choose the right treatment for you.
Okay.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We're done.
Thanks, Doc. That was fast.
While we're waiting for the test results, let's talk about what happens inside of the body after you're exposed to bad germs. People who are infected can look and feel differently. For example, while many people infected by COVID-19 can get very sick, others feel completely fine.
The germs are sneaky.
Yes, germs can spread from anyone who carries them, whether they have symptoms or not. In fact, many infections like COVID-19 often spread from people who have no symptoms. That is why we all have to take actions to stop germs from spreading. But there is good news. Your body is fighting back. The hairs and the sticky mucus in your respiratory system can trap germs, and your coughing can move them out of your lungs.
Whoa, my mucus and cough actually helped me?
If some germs still get into the body, your immune system will fight them. You may feel fever, chills, body ache, cough, and more.
That's how I feel.
It's good that your symptoms sound mild. Other people may have runny nose, sore throat, loss of smell, rash, or diarrhea. For most people infected with COVID-19, the symptoms are mild. But low risk is not no risk. We have to look out for more serious signs like breathing difficulty, low oxygen level that shows up as blue lips, drowsiness, or low blood pressure. Those will need urgent care in a hospital.
These are responses to a respiratory infection. Get health care early. Call the doctor or nurse. Watch out for serious symptoms. Take care of your mind and body. Wear a mask. Cough or sneeze into your elbow or a tissue. Throw away used tissues in bins with a lid and a bag inside. Wash your hands. Avoid close physical contact, keeping more than 2 meters away from others. Don't share personal items. Keep good airflow. Clean the shared spaces often. Stay home unless to get medical care. Follow doctors or public health advice. Are there other ways to prevent infection?
Yes, you know most of them. Stay clean and avoid close contact with people who may be sick. That includes at home when Blossom is still sick. For some germs, there are vaccines to lower your chance of serious illness if you're exposed to the germs.
Can vaccines make me a superhero?
A vaccine teaches your immune system to fight that kind of germs. This is called immunity. For most vaccines, you get it before you have the infection to prevent getting sick. Each kind of germ needs its own vaccine. Luckily, there are already vaccines for many infections that target children, like measles, TB, and flu. But for new germs, it takes time for scientists to test and make a vaccine that works well to prevent infections.
I know some kids that don't believe in vaccines.
That makes me sad and worried. Everyone who is at higher risk should get vaccines that are proven to work well, unless they have medical reasons not to, like having allergies to the vaccine. Vaccines are tested many times by experts to show strong benefit in protecting people from serious infections. They save lives. Don't believe in rumors. Unsafe vaccines do not get approved by health professionals. Just like receiving any medicines, there can be side effects. But know that the risk for vaccines is so small that it is much more likely for people to die from traffic accidents and lightning strikes than from a vaccine. The more people get vaccinated, the more we can reduce the chance of germs spreading across our community. Let's protect each other. Even vulnerable people who cannot get the vaccine will be protected.
Share that getting effective vaccines protects you and your community from the spread of an infection. To fight rumors, we should all learn reliable information from health workers, public health announcements, and the news.
So it does make us superheroes.
We are all germ-fighting heroes. Here's your report. And it shows that you have COVID-19 infection. Since there's an outbreak right now, we have to be extra careful about preventing germs from spreading in the community. Remember that low risk is not no risk. Even though for COVID-19 infection, young people are not at as high risk as the elderly or those with chronic illness, but you can still get very sick. Also, the germs can still spread from you. For many other respiratory infections like pneumococcus and measles, young people are at high risk. I'm going to arrange for you to stay at our healthcare center for a little while. It is safe there. We'll take very good care of you. You can keep in touch with your family and friends with our many tools there. This will only be for a little while. When the germs are cleared, then you can go home.
I got it. I have to do my part in protecting my family and community from germs.
You really are a germ-fighting hero with integrity. By staying away from others when germs are not yet cleared, you are protecting others in the community.
Remember that you're priceless and limitless.